ano yung one thing, no, or things na takeaway or lesson na ginagamit mo ngayon for you to stay, you know,
Itong gusto kong,
yes.
yeah.
At hindi na darating sa'yo yung pagod na ako, burnout na ako, ayoko na.
I prayed.
Ay, my God.
I prayed. I talked to myself. They say kapag kinausap mo yung sarili mo, it's like prayer. But ako, kompleto ako. Nagdadasal ako, nagsusulat ako, kinakausap ko sarili ko, pumapasok ako sa lahat ng simbahan. I see to it that my faith is strong. And I get my strength from praying a lot, okay? So, at this point na para sa akin, na-achieve ko na yung balanse. Because more than anything else, yung balanse ang kailangan mong mahanap. And also the maturity is only your faith that will keep you there. Okay? So, because hindi mo naman talaga makokontrol ang mga pwedeng mangyari sa'yo.
Yes, ate.
Hindi mo makokontrol ang behavior mo. Hindi mo makokontrol ang nangyayari sa mundo. But if your faith is strong, it will keep you intact.
Yes.
And
Yes.
enlightened and humble.
Yes.
Because there's a greater power more than you. Kahit na sabihin mo pang you're the strongest, you're the most blessed. No. It's the faith that is keeping me balanced.
Tama, ate.
Yeah.
And if I may add, no, ate, I think, kung i-correlate ko doon sa faith na sinasabi mo, ate, I think it's waking up every day choosing to acknowledge the purpose na meron ka.
Yes.
Finding that purpose na ibinigay ni God sa'yo kung bakit kanya hinayaang magising sa araw na ito.
Right.
At kung bakit na inihahain ang mga oportunidad na ito sa'yo, being
yes.
able to act in front of people, being able to do a project na may gustong sabihin, it's a blessing. May purpose yun.
May purpose yun.
Yeah.
Hindi naman yun yung parang binigay. It's a gift.
It's a gift.
It's a gift. So, everything is bigger than us. Everything is bigger than us.